Hi, I'm Malcolm Gray with Montpelier Construction. We are presently a 7-person partnership. We started the company in 1998. Um, we've been doing home performance energy audits since 2006. I got my Passive House certification in 2015. Two other partners are certified Passive House consultants. And we do high performance housing along with everything else. New construction and remodeling, but any job we do, we always look at the energy component. And so even if we're remodeling a kitchen, there's usually some opportunities for some energy improvements. So we have that in our company culture, the whole mix that we do. I've been in construction for almost 50 years. The other partners have been in construction before the company founded too. While specializing in high performance, we do regular construction too, but we try and push the high performance whenever possible, which is in practically every case. With the codes improving, you can go from code to higher performance without a huge jump, and it basically pays for itself over time. And let's see, we're a member of VBRA. We hooked up first because of our insurance company told us that we got a special group rate on our insurance if we joined. And since then, well, actually last year we got $2,500 back because of the membership and because of this group rate thing. So there's also a bunch of different, I've also done different trainings through VBRA. I did my lead safe a bunch of years ago. I did a green builder training. I know some of the other partners have done certain trainings and everything. Also, I think VBRA has been pushing for sort of a contract professionalization, which I think is great. You know, a contractor registry, not a big deal, pretty easy. But then also we're hoping that goes into, also you can do different levels of certification so that, like, for instance, my Passive House certification would count towards a green building certification with VBRA or possibly the state. VBRA is working quite closely with the state and a bunch of different shareholders to get the contractor registry passed, to maybe get just a variety of things. They're in the legislature all the time, working for us, doing a lot of great things. I get news briefs, I think weekly, about what they're doing, and it's pretty impressive. And it's not just hanging out in the State House, wasting your time. They're actually getting some things done, especially with the atmosphere now of we're going to net zero construction by 2030, if we're lucky, during the different RBs and CBs run-throughs. VBRA has been pretty instrumental in helping, push the standards so that we're not just building just good housing, but we're building better housing that's more resilient, will last a century, as opposed to, well, this is pretty good for 20 years and then it's going to start to fall down. All in all, VBRA is the only organization that represents contractors in a general sense in the state, and having them not only just doing their agenda, but listening to the members, absorbing their membership agendas into what they're trying to do too. So they're pretty responsive. It's a statewide organization. It's still pretty local, and it's not difficult to get your voice heard, which is very nice. And of course, we encourage other people to become members. The more people are in the group, the stronger the group is, the stronger our voice can be on a statewide level, and also just individually through different towns, different organizations. And it's necessary to have a real organization to speak for us. It's a small state. We can speak for ourselves. But if you have a statewide organization that is pretty solid, which this is, we can have that voice heard and heard again and make some changes and some differences. So join up now. It doesn't cost much, and it's worth it.